Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. So this was sent by Tactile Turn, who I'm familiar with. I'm confused. Well, we'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting right now. There's a link right down in the description for my Patreon. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I'm also going to be linking Tactile Turn products down there because I believe the retailers that I use I carry their products. And a long time ago, I handled a pen that I really, really liked. So I'm curious to find out what's in here. Extremely curious. Okay, there's a note. Wait. Oh, wait. A gift from Triple E EDC? Oh, awesome. Thank you. Maybe that's why I didn't know understand the conversation. Wow. Okay, this was a really, really nice gift. Thank you so much. So, make sure you guys check out. Let me fold this. Make sure you guys check out Triple E EDC on Instagram and on YouTube. I believe he's got a channel. But thank you very much for that. I appreciate it. I don't know why I'm thinking he has a channel, but in any case, I know that he's on Instagram. Thank you. Seriously, I'm really excited here. Let's see what we got. Oh boy, what do we have here? Cool. Look at this. Man. Fancy. What's in here? I feel like it's probably the card. Is it the... I almost don't want to pull the seal off. Sorry. Welcome to my channel. Okay, there we go. The rock wall. Oh. No, I think I know what this is now. Yeah. Okay. I was spacing. Completely spacing. Yeah. Wait. This is a gift? Wait. No way. A gift from this? No, that can't be right. Is that right? He will have received a message well before this goes up. Oh man, that is cool. Look at the texturing on the titanium. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Very, very cool. So we're looking at, the blade steel. Yeah, the blade steel is CTS Xhp, which is awesome. I'm a huge fan of CTS Xhp, as I've mentioned in the past. Flipping action for being such a small and slender compact knife is very good. That's a light switcher. The other thing that I love about it is that it is a countersunk liner lock. And is the liner titanium? The liner appears to be steel, which makes sense, because I didn't see an insert. So, and then we've got the blade here. Yeah, I'm going to call that a drop point blade that's tumbled. Nice jimping. So, look at that pocket clip. Man, that's beautiful. Look how they do that. Yeah. So, you guys know that I'm not as much a fan. I think the bug out is a good design. And I liked my titanium one more. This kind of reminds me a lot of the titanium bug out. It just, instead of the axis lock and being a thumb stud opener, it's a liner lock with a flipper, which I think is preferable for me. And I'm really kind of crushing hard on these, on the lines here, the titanium, scales. Now, where can you get this? I don't know. I'll try to provide a link. I feel like at the moment, it's probably direct through the manufacturer. Either way, if I can provide a link right down below, I will make sure that there's a link. If that really is a gift, that is a super nice gift. Thank you so much. But I'll find out, of course, after I'm done recording this. In any case, guys, this is just an unbox. Obviously, I've never handled this or experienced it, but I remember seeing it on Instagram. But I don't know anything about this knife yet. I need to kind of, of course, experience it and kind of learn about it. And then a few weeks down the road, you guys will get a full comprehensive review. So yeah, if you're interested in that, then hang tight. But thanks again to Triple E EDC for doing that. I really appreciate that. Very, very nice. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you did enjoy this, leave a like. If you would like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.